TIM, Telecom Italia, Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to TIM plans and products are in the description. TIM, or Telecom Italia, is one of the largest and most established mobile operators in Italy, offering a range of mobile services from prepaid and postpaid plans to data-only options. With a strong focus on 4G and expanding 5G coverage, TIM is an excellent choice for both individuals and businesses looking for reliable mobile services. TIM's plans include unlimited calls and texts within Italy, generous data packages, and additional benefits like access to TIM Vision for streaming content, making it a solid choice for entertainment enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for an affordable plan or a more extensive data package, TIM provides flexible options to cater to different usage needs. A standout feature of TIM is its widespread network coverage. As one of Italy's leading telecom providers, TIM offers robust 4G coverage across most urban and rural areas, ensuring consistent service for users in cities and towns. The rollout of TIM's 5G network is expanding rapidly, offering fast speeds in select urban areas. This makes TIM a solid option for heavy data users, gamers, and business professionals who need fast and reliable internet. TIM also excels in bundling services, allowing customers to combine mobile, broadband, and TV services for added value. However, TIM does have some weaknesses. While its 4G coverage is impressive, its 5G availability is still limited compared to competitors like Vodafone and Windtree. Additionally, TIM's plans can sometimes be more expensive than other Italian mobile operators, making it a less ideal option for budget-conscious users. Customer service is another area where TIM falls short, with reports of slow response times and long wait periods for support. Overall, TIM is a strong contender in Italy, particularly for users who want reliable coverage, fast 4G and 5G connectivity in urban areas, along with bundled services. It's ideal for users seeking high-speed data and entertainment options. However, if you're looking for lower-cost options or broader 5G availability, you might want to explore other providers. Check the links in the description for the latest TIM plans and promotions.